Hey everyone, my name is Diana Burson. I am part of Microsoft Federal Copilot team. Today is all about managing your inbox using Microsoft 365 Copilot. If you have Copilot at your work, and if you have a licensed version of Copilot available in Outlook, follow along with me by using the prompts in the description of this video. Let's hop on over to Outlook and see how we can use Copilot to help us manage our inbox. I'm going to click on the Copilot icon here and go into the chat mode. You'll see some prompts here in a second that will show you the kinds of things you can ask Copilot to do for you, like recap a meeting, what's the latest from someone, and help you write emails. We'll take a look at that. So, first, I have my prompt in the description and pre-staged here, and I want to see if Copilot can help me understand what are my top 3 emails from the last 24 hours that require immediate attention. That is a good sort of dig out or catch up prompt as you start your day, or if you miss a day or a week at work. Change this prompt to have it go back a week or last 2 hours. And here I have a response from your unread emails. Here are top 3, along with explanation for why Copilot thinks they're urgent. So you can scan your response and see if you agree with how Copilot reasoned and what it suggested that you take actions on. Let's move on to the next prompt. So now we're going to ask Copilot to organize these tasks in a priority list. You can also click on one of these suggested prompts, and you might even get something like that as a suggested prompt. I know I've gotten that before. Hey, organize these tasks into a priority list. Additional value here is that you can easily copy and paste this into whatever application you use to help you keep up with your tasks. Maybe you use Planner, maybe you use OneNote, maybe you use something else. If you look at the response, it assigned priority and told you why it's urgent and what action is needed from you. And then on the bottom, I have this copy icon, so I can easily copy it out. Next up, now my manager or my project manager or my boss sent me a lot of emails. So I want to, as this next prompt, summarize all emails from Alex from this week, from today, from the last 2 hours, right? And see for each email, I want Copilot to identify any requests that were made and list clear action items that I need to complete. Sure enough, Copilot scanned my inbox for emails from Alex, and you can see on the left, I have quite a few, and broke down my action items from all of those emails. You can see how nicely it does that for me. Here's the request. If I scroll down, I'll see my action item. Now I know exactly what to do. Of course, I can also ask Copilot to put that in a list of action items for me to do. I can also ask Copilot to draft a response to Alex's emails. That is one of the suggested prompts for me. All I have to do is click on it, and here I have a response. Let me show you a couple of more prompts you can run in Copilot Chat to help you manage your inbox. Here's one. Draft a reply or replies for my top 3 unanswered emails in my inbox from this week. Now you can ask Copilot to help you draft replies right in the Copilot Chat interface. You can, of course, always do it in the email itself. I'll show you that next. Here are my replies. What I would do is I would select, if I wanted to use that verbiage and that draft, I would copy them and paste them into the email. But what if I just wanted to go right into the email and draft the reply with Copilot there? Now I can open an email. I'll close Copilot chat in the side panel to show you an email. Here's an example of an email that I can use Copilot to draft the reply using the draft mode inside the email. And now I'm simply going to say, draft a reply to this email, just to show you how you can easily use Copilot inside the body of the email. Copilot scans the email itself, understands what the email is about, and then helps you draft the reply. You can change the tone, the length, and you can ask Copilot to try again if you don't like the output it generated. Once you are happy with the draft, you can say keep it. And then if you wanted to change anything, you can change what is needed, tweak, make it your own. And once you have reviewed and are happy with the response, you can send it off. I hope you found this video helpful. In the next video, I'll show you more tips and tricks for how to maximize your benefits using M365 Copilot. Stay tuned.